video. We were talking with other AJB members about teaching some basic caring so everyone can use longer his or her kendo equipment. Actually, the reason was because we got horrified with the poor care and poor maintenance a lot of people, well, not a lot, some people were giving to their kendo equipments. Let's check basic caring. The first thing to know about the Shinai is that the Shinai will break eventually just for natural deterioration, but you can fix it usually with the proper tools. For example, this kind of shaver, yes, and with something like this. What's the name of this? Maybe Japanese.
Another shaver.
Another shaver. Chikumakun. That kind of tool. Sometimes you cannot fix it because, you know, the Shinai's, the pieces breaks. So you cannot fix that. So it's just it. Also, the bamboo can dry out, but can regain humidity according to the environment or the weather, depending on which country you are. We recommend you put oil, like this oil, or you can put whatever oil you want to put, so they last for longer. Also, we recommend you put the Shinai in a humid place so it doesn't dry out. Take in consideration, if you put too much oil, the Shinai will get heavier. Be careful with the leather parts. Don't put oil on them. They can deteriorate, break apart, you know. Same as the bamboo Shinai, some parts of the bogu will eventually deteriorate with time, but you can contribute to make them last longer. We know that the bogu gets all the sweat and it gets kind of smelly, especially the deer skin or synthetic skin. But try not to leave it under direct sunlight, otherwise the color will fade away. The leather or synthetic leather could shrink, dry out, become rigid, or even burn, and the stitch may deteriorate to the point that the threads just cut, you know. So take care. If it's too humid, try to dry it with wind from natural source or electric source or whatever you want. Yes. Be aware of leaving the bogu near to fire or another source of hot temperature. In the case you want to clean your bogu, if it is not washable, do not throw it into the washing machine. We do not recommend it at all. Clean the salty parts by hand, just with a sponge, you know, your mane, your kote, or every part of your bogu. But take care of not scratching too much the surface, because you can otherwise damage the threads, the stitch. It's better to use smells that don't interact directly with your bogu materials, such as liquid fragrance or sprays that may damage your bogu. We recommend you use these kind of little fragrance bags. They are quite nice, principally for the kote. They can take away the odor easily without compromising the equipment. You can put it inside your kote. You can put it inside your mane or inside your bogu bag and put everything inside, you know. There. So you can leave this bogu bag in your home and your family, your girlfriend, boyfriend won't complain about. The men and dog himo usually get stiff with the salt and with the use, you know, with time. So it's better to wash them with cold water from time to time.
We hope these basic cares could help you enjoy your kendo equipment for much longer and in a better condition.